So people, head unit is completely installed. Happy customer?
Very happy customer.
Brilliant.
Very happy. Very happy.
That is brilliant.
Highly recommend Headunit Autos LCD.
Dean,
thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Mate. Okay.
No problem at all. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Carl is on it. This was another customer's car that I've just done the head unit install for. So this is what it looks like right now. I didn't really have time to really show a video of in-depth of me putting it together, but it's actually a very similar process to the Ford Fiesta that I used to have previously. So check that top right eye icon of how I did that car, and it's pretty much the same process, same wiring as that. And there we have it, people. Complete transformation from this head unit straight into this one, and this one has got built-in Apple CarPlay as well. It runs extremely fast too. You got all your apps on there, YouTube, Spotify, internet connection, and everything. All right, so if you go into select, right, you can hear the difference. And if you're doing use, I've had to mute out the sound solely because of copyright, otherwise this video won't be able to be posted. So I was basically going through all the sound adjustments that you can do. This is basically what you call DSP, or in other words, an equalizer. So you can actually change the sound of the actual system itself. You can turn on subwoofers, you can also increase the bass as well, bass for the rear and bass for the front as well, all different corners. And then also as well, you can also position where you want the sound to come from, if you want it to be on the co-pilot side, the driver's side, the rear, or within the center, so it comes out centrally to all sides. You can also adjust the sound setting for each specific speaker as well. So there's just tons of things that you can actually do with this head unit. And honest to God, this thing, right, this is one of the best head units I ever had for my Ford Fiesta, the fuel saver. That car is, honest to God, that car is such a good car. In fact, I'm going to bring another video of that soon. So, who knows, probably the next video I'll probably bring that on my Ford Fiesta. So yeah, just going through everything. There's just tons of settings that you can pretty much go on. You know, this car, one of the best head units I have ever had in the Ford Fiesta for the MK6. Yes, the MK6. So yeah, brilliant head unit. It works for the Ford Focus ST as well. It works for so many different cars. For example, it even works for the Ford Transit 2005 one, the Ford Galaxy 2005 to 2007, the Ford Mondeo from 2003 to 2007, the Ford Fusion from 2006 to 2011, the Ford Kuga, the Ford C-Max, the Ford S-Max, and also the Ford Connect. So there's just so many different cars that it actually works on. So right now I'm showing the Apple CarPlay feature as well. And yeah, I'm just so many different features, the Bluetooth, the music, so many different things in the main screen as well. So it's got a really beautiful interface. I can't actually recommend it enough, guys. Like if you have a Ford Focus, right, or Ford Fiesta, all those cars that I previously mentioned, I'll put a link down in the description of where to get the unit from. So you got the brightness on that as well, so you can increase that too. That's your reboot button, that's your screen off. Your Bluetooth, if you go on Wi-Fi, if you hold on to it, it takes you to Wi-Fi, and you click on that and it'll automatically turn it back on. If there's automatic, so I can turn Wi-Fi to automatically turn on, so that way you can just scan for your phone. As soon as I get in the car, exactly, it'll just scan for it, exactly. So Wi-Fi turns on automatically, so that will scan for you. We go back from there and go back. So this is the bit, if you want to click back, you just press that arrow there as well. Click back.
It's like a tablet, isn't it? It's
exactly,
like
an Android tablet, exactly. Then you got your Play Store, so any applications you want to do, you can just sign into that once your internet is connected, and you can download like different apps. For example, you know, you can, if your son wants to play some games, he can play games whilst you're, you know. Won't recommend it.
What a naughty device,
honestly.
You can do poker on it. 360 fine poker.
So you got YouTube as well, so you can play your YouTube.
Get my Nick Jim
You got everything you want, really, pretty much. You can even download BBC iPlayer and, you know, live football as well. You can watch as well.
There's a mini fridge with a couple of shandies in there.
Oh my life. Then here's your DSP. So anytime you want to adjust like the effect of the music, and you want to adjust the speakers, just click on either you can click on select SEL, or if you go back you click on DSP. Right. So this DSP, that's why the sound system is better than the standard sound system basically. So you can do that as well. Then you got your radio too, just hit that up radio, and your radio will work as well. Different stations. So you got different stations as well. You've got let's see, there's one more. So there's a DAB. If you want DAB, there's a cable you need to buy, and I can basically hook that up, go around from here, and I'll hook it to there, and then you have DAB as well. So that, yeah, I can send you the link for that one as well. Yeah, exactly. So then I can download that for you as well. So that's that. Music. So this is like the preset music that's already on the head unit already. So that's that as well. And then anytime you want to go on Bluetooth, you just hit phone, and then just connect it straight from your phone basically, and then you'll have Bluetooth from there. It should show your contacts as well. You can download your contacts. If you click that button there, that will download all your contacts straight into the device, so then you can just call straight from the device itself. If you want to add devices and remove them, you can go onto this search button here, and then it shows you all the ones that are already paired, and you can just hit this button and that will connect to it. Exactly, so that will connect to that as well. Exactly, so that can just connect to it straight away, as long as your Bluetooth device is on your phone. It's on your phone, exactly. So you got that as well. It's probably asking you if you want to connect to your oh, it's already connected. So pretty much, so that's your CarPlay as well. So that comes up straight away like that. So your music will pretty much play from the CarPlay system. So everything will be here basically. If I do that,
I love that. I love it. You might be so, man. Really. Thank you.
No worries, man. No worries at all.
Pleasure to meet you.
Honestly, it was a pleasure to meet you.
Where can I review you? And where can I leave you?
You can just. Let me see.
When I drop you to all my mates and that as well.
Oh, appreciate that, man. I really appreciate that. If you leave a comment when I post this video eventually, then that pretty much be the review for me. I'll be happy with that. Yeah. So let me just tidy up now, and then that should be everything. Yeah, that's it, man. So people, head unit is completely installed. Happy customer.
Very happy customer.
Brilliant.
Very happy.
That is brilliant.
I recommend CarPlay Autos. I'll see you there.
Dean,
thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Mate. Okay. No problem at all. I'll see you soon, That is it, people. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. That is the end of the video, people. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe if you have not already. People, if you need your head unit installed or whatever upgrade on your car, stop wasting time. Do not hesitate and contact Headunit Autos. So drop me a message on my Instagram and let's get your car upgrade. And as always, people, don't go anywhere. Peace.